following are the steps to log into Phillip9 mobile application. Step 1. To receive OTP on register. Step 2. Enter your Step 3. Upon successful login in Phillip9 application, user can enable either biometric TOTP is provided by online third-party TOTP apps. Once Phillip9 login is done, TOTP can be enabled from the settings option under menu window. Click on Authenticate using TOTP, or QR code can be scanned from Google Authenticator to register. At the time of login, enter the TOTP generate again your new password in Confirm Password section. By doing this, user will be able to change password. Start your journey with Phillip9. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.